No. The money. Where's the rest of it? There's not enough. There's not enough. Walt? What did that phone call mean? Where's the rest? The money, Skylar. Where is it? Skylar, where's the money? I gave it to Ted. What? You did what? Well, I had to. For us as a family, I swear, Walt gave our money to Bennett. Walt, please, just hear me out, please. Ah! Ah! Walt. Hi, you reached the White family. Skylar, it's happening again. The DEA, they got a tip from some informant that the cartel, they want to kill Hank. God, why? When is this going to stop? Marie, I'm here. I'm here. Tell me everything that happened.